Guys, so I have my lips on and my base, and I just want to show off some of these Ruby Kisses cosmetics products. So specifically this eyeshadow palette and this cream blush duo. So this is the Topaz eyeshadow palette and the sugared apricot blush. They also sent over some really pretty nail polishes, but I'm not going to be using those today. I'm going to go in with this burnt orange color first, kind of on my crease. It's very pigmented. Lighter shade and blend out the edges further with the same brush. I didn't dust it off or anything. I'm gonna put that just on top to blend that into my skin a little better. I'm going to go in with a different brush in this deepest shade right here and just darken up these outer edges. I did add some of that orangey color here just to make the look more cohesive. Now I'm going to take in one of these shimmers, which we have 4 to choose from. Let me get clean fingers. So there's this one, this one, this one, and this one. So these are the 4. They feel so creamy. And this pinky shade right here. I think I'm gonna go with this tone because this one might be too orange for just my preferences, or maybe I'll mix them. You blend it out so easy. Last but not least, I got this Ultra Lip Peach lip gloss. Oh, it smells so good. And it's not sticky. And this is the final look.